Well, hello internets, I'm the Rifter. Welcome to another kitchen background video. I'm making some fabric deodorizer. As we all know, baking soda is a deodorizer. That's why you shove this stuff in your refrigerator. Excuse the extra noises. My son's running all over the place. But you can use fabric softener, or you can use these scent boosters. These smell a little bit stronger, so I like using those. But baking soda, fabric softener, or scent booster, an empty bottle, spray bottle, and preferably a funnel. Here's a spray bottle, and of course I don't have a funnel, but 2 teaspoons of baking soda, so just add a full cap of this stuff, and then I prefer hot water because you got to let these beads dissolve. And you can shake this around or let them dissolve by themselves. I'm going to shake it around just to show you guys they will dissolve. But you use them in your washing machine, so of course they're going to dissolve in water. But they're already getting smaller, and you can kind of see it's turning purple. But yeah, just wait for those puppies to dissolve. Doesn't take long in the warm/hot water. And then it should not stain any of your fabrics. If you have any reason to believe that it will stain a fabric or mess up something, I would test it on a small piece of fabric, much like all manufacturers recommend you do on any kind of new whatever you put on your fabrics. But yeah, that's how you make this stuff. Anyway, remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm the Rifter. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye. See you later.